Today I made some creamy refried beans with chorizo and cheese, and these came out so good. I made some wheat flour tortillas, and those were so good with these refried beans. Let me show you how I made these. I'm gonna start off with 3 cups of pinto beans. I'm gonna clean them out, meaning clean and rinse. Added some cold water and let these sit for about 30 minutes. Then adding a piece of onion and 1 chicken bouillon cube. Also adding about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to be cooking these in my pressure cooker. For that, I'm going to use the bean option. There is one on there. And I'm going to do 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to open it, stir the beans, and then do another 20 minutes. So it's a total of 40 minutes and the pinto beans are done. Adding some chorizo to my pan. I'm using beef chorizo. You can use whichever one you want. You can use longaniza too. I like to use this one because it releases a lot of fat and I need that for this type of refried beans. After I cooked it down for about 5 minutes, I'm going to start adding all my beans along with that onion that I cooked it in. Mixing that just for about 3 minutes. And then what I'm going to do is add in the rest of the beans. I had a little bit left. Add that, and then I'm going to add some bean juice. I'm going to use my immersion blender to blend these up. You can use just a bean masher. You could also even use your blender. I like using this immersion blender because it breaks everything down so perfect. As you can see, it left my beans nice and creamy. After it's all mixed and all nice and creamy, I'm gonna add a bunch of cheese. This is just some melting cheese that I had left from some quesadillas that I made. Mix that together until the cheese melts. These refried beans with chorizo and cheese are my absolute favorite. They come out so creamy, cheesy, and of course you can taste that chorizo in there. I absolutely love these. I just topped it off with 1 chile de árbol just for looks. I made some wheat flour tortillas. I will have that recipe up for you guys. You have to make these if you're gonna make these refried beans. Absolutely went perfect with it. And then I'm just gonna add that to my tortilla. Add a little bit of that chile guajillo salsa I made. These burritos came out so good. We all had 1, 2, maybe 3. Save this recipe. This is the perfect recipe for some refried beans with chorizo and cheese. If you have any beans left, you can definitely store them in the refrigerator and use them for next time. Enjoy.